won't
They've
peek that. What?
Ooh.
They doing it? I was doing the same thing.
My thing is, I always miss it though, by a little bit.
It's hard to time it. The string gonna work if we all go up here.
No, it has to work if we all go up here.
There's a vigil somewhere. Might be underneath.
You wanna get that Ash?
I got one of the bandits.
He's underneath.
I got one bandit.
Top main is vigil.
Ace is finding behind bolt.
You don't have to play aggro, you gotta defuse. Like you have to go study. Rotating into study. Going back in. Nice.
Good shit.
Woohoo! I peeked with your damn nade, whoever that was. That was hilarious.
You're fucking better.
Bruh. Oh, where are you from?
Good shot.
Get fucked. Sit down. That's not half wall though. There's someone half wall.
That's half wall. There's someone half wall. It's insecurity. Witch, no! Witch just running away from
Ah, it's a sledge. You hit me. Hit me. Oh, shit.
They know where you are.
interrogation.
No, I just went for the knife.
I have no fucking. Oh, Patrick City.
What? Went down there? Are they
Locate
high?
the bomb. Make your
Well,
way
they have
to
to
its
win it.
location and defuse it.
I got sound glitch.
Reload! Activate jammer.
Broke him below. Oh my god, that dude got. Alright, will I get them? Alright.
You guys got down. Hold on. They're breaking vents. They're gonna glitch up metal. Guys walking out metal.
She's lit.
Where did she go? Workshop?
Yeah, she's
Well, floor banger.
He's like half, probably.
Pre-fire everything.
Left side, east 6.
Radio window.
Oh, right side too. Did he cross back or is it a different guy? 25.
One's outside, like the east, like fucking balcony, and the other one is might be outside.
Oh,
there.
she rotated outside
Alright,
your
we're
CC
throwing.
door. No, I'm not throwing.
There we
The
go.
chick is
They got, I
throwing.
think they got
Aimbot it already.
How am I throwing?
Aimbot.
I'm alive.
Yeah,
That's not big,
aimbot.
You're not cheating,
Yeah.
why aren't you cheating?
For the fact that you're alive is
Jumped in
you're not
radio?
committed to the
I
cause.
think he jumped in radio.
Slam.
Yes.
I know, I stand
I
there.
Got it in act. That.
No, keep it at 5v4. There's only Ash dead.
Man's pushing that door as well. Man tagged. Dude, there's no way. He's 1 HP.
Oh, and then we can hit Arca.
Where are they?
Vents.
Vent.
Yeah, I don't see anybody in armor though. Yeah, I got that mute jammer so you can drone. I don't see anybody half wall, drone ticket booth. Ticket booth's cleared, patch soft.
Like not really.
Bro!
They plus 10.
I literally ran out, tooled on his face, but it missed every bullet in his face, and he just tooled on me. Yeah, I know. Yeah, they all missed him.
Nice.
I wanna watch it like.
They got ball.
They're about.
Which pair? The bow.
There's one half ball, one by bomb.
Oops.
There's a goo by your foot.
One on the left.
There's another goo in that building.
Crossbar.
You got 20 seconds.
Yo, he's in the back of armor. Or archives, back archives. On the other side of the cabinet.
Last one's half ball. Jaeger's lit and dining.
Fucking.
Jaeger's still lit and dining. You can tap right now.
Oh my god, Chris.
I know. Not gonna lie, I think that
It's a
egg
visual.
fucking you over, dude.
Yeah, you're getting tunnel vision.
You got flash?
Flat.
I do.
Oh.
Rome. He's so lit.
God, Dad, I thought you killed him. Oh, you killed him.
I killed Jaeger.
I didn't. He's still just sitting there.
He's in the back, he's in the back.
Nice. Last
Smoke.
one is last.
No clue. Alright, just play this safe.
They know they have to flush you out, so they're probably gonna push you.
Yeah. Go back,
Last one was no round. Last one was no round.
He's low, he's low. Watch the hatch drop, by the way.
Is she in?
No.
Where's she?
He catch. He catch. Oh!
Nice. You're actually insane,
Back,
Jeff.
come back for the false call.
You're
Wait,
actually insane.
Very good.
It's alright, don't worry about it.
That was my last bullet too.
I know. say.
She had no time anyway. She had like 10 seconds.
Guys can just drop.
I get flanked.
Yeah, you guys don't. Watch out, freezer. Up top. There's one in there. 2 freezer. Jaeger was freezer, other was sight, I think.
Where's this guy?
It sounds like he's in the box, like in sight.
20 seconds.
Watch out, freezer though. I think he's around that corner.
Is this open?
I don't know. Let's
Good
go.
shit.
Let's go.
Jeff's just better, dude. Look at that, man. You just
Thank you.
You Shaco in the flush.
I literally play almost the exact same sense.
Yeah, actually. Even?
Yeah.
There's another one.
Where?
In the hall, red hall.
I don't throw it, don't peek.
Bar or what? Yeah, red hall. He's like on the left side. I think
Is that
he's
open?
going.
Is anything open? Walls?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna just hold this.
Imagine.
Twitch drone.
Oh, she's low.
I'm
she's
holding
like
him
30.
passive. I'm holding him passive.
Yeah,
Okay,
main double door. Crouching in, nice.
I
don't
can't
know.
tell.
It's yeah, our
He's
drone's in a
behind the
weird
drone.
spot.
Yeah.
Legion dead, Legion
Wait,
dead.
one in freezer. I was in fucking sight. Doc freezer.
What's the other? Do we know?
He is still. He's in the back. Like back of freezer. Yo, you look. You have a 2v1 on this dock. He's just tucked in freezer.
Wait, where's the last one though?
Don't know. That guy's probably cocked. There's an echo in heaven.
We still have
Trying to
one
find
now.
Just make sure he's still in.
He's still
Yeah,
prone in
prone.
freezer.
You have 2 stuns. You could just fucking fry. Oh, last guy's top what? Oh no.
Oh no, he made it a wood stack now. Doc is wood stack.
Yeah. I don't know where Echo is. He's on
He,
cave.
he might
Oh
still
yeah,
be
you
behind
can't.
heaven. Yeah, I think he's still behind.
You can't go for plant. You have to go for kills. Because they're gonna Echo jump you.
I think he's still heaven. Is
Last
he
guy's heaven.
Yeah, he is.
Oh
Nice.
my god. Nice jump. You're
Oh my
crazy,
God.
man. Jiff is popping off. Jiff is going.
Having a good time.
It's a demon.
Nah.
Look at these pops.
Yeah, you're good.
Nice job, dude.
Yeah. God damn.
Nice.
Popping off.
Bro, if I didn't pick up that plant, we lost that.
Yeah.
I predicted he
Well,
would go your rotate. Ash.
Ash was just in a tricky spot because she
Yeah.
had Grismo stunned and Malusi the entire time.